নমস্কার অর্পিতা আবার চলে এসেছি ফ্রম অর্পিতাস ভিভার গ্যালারি থেকে। আজকে আমি এসেছি উইথ মাই এপিসোড নাম্বার 44। আজকে আমি সব কোটা শাড়িজ দেখাবো। টুডে আই উইল শো ইউ অল কোটা শাড়িজ, পিওর কোটা। দ্য শাড়ি which I am wearing this is JP Kota. You will get the seal also to ensure the purity of the saree. Okay. These are all light weighted sarees. I will show you 2-3 pieces Kota Doria. I will show you some super net. Due to summer I am showing you all these light weighted saree. You know Kota saree is a zero weighted saree. It gives a comfort in summers. So let me start with my Kota episode. Okay, Kota sarees. I am starting with my Kota sarees, light weighted saree. This is a summer friendly saree. This is pure Kota, JP Kota. Okay, this JP Kota. This is the authenticity of the saree, of the JP Kota pure cotton saree. Okay, home wash saree, color stay, no problem regarding color also. The saree number 1 and the price is 1550, 1550. Pure Kota saree. Okay, this is not super net, not mixed Kota also even. This is a pure cotton Kota which is called JP Kota, the best quality Kota. This is price 1550. This saree doesn't have any blouse piece. The whole saree have this same print. Summer friendly saree. Saree number 1 and the price is 1550. Saree number 2. These are all just came, এগুলো সব নতুন স্টক, নিউ স্টক। শাড়ি নাম্বার 2। Okay, again I am showing this is the authenticity of the ये শাড়ি কি বলে JP Kota. Look, all sarees have this. So this is the authenticity of the JP Kota saree. Saree number 2 and the price is 1550. Saree number 3. Saree number 3. Mehndi green and blue border. Lovely piece. Saree same print. So saree number 3. Okay. Price is 1550. Saree number 4. In this episode also I am giving options that you can choose. It will be easy for you to choose the saree. All the sarees are very nice. Saree number 4, price 1550. This is the palla part. This is the body. Okay, saree number 4 and price is 1550. Saree number 5. Friends within Kolkata, বন্ধুরা কলকাতার মধ্যে যারা আছেন শপে আসুন। Friends outside of Kolkata, whenever you are in friends outside Kolkata, whenever you visit to Kolkata, please visit my shop. Okay, this is saree number 4. Saree number 5 and the price is 1550. Minded friends, this saree doesn't have any blouse piece. Accidentally don't cut the blouse piece, be very careful. This saree doesn't have any blouse piece. This was saree number 5 and the price was 1550. Now I am showing you sari number 6. This is কি কোটা যেন বলি, super net. Okay. A Banarasi super net sari. Look, the palla and the border is weaving. There is weaving in the border and palla. This is the weaving part of the border on both sides. This is super net Banarasi kota, and the base is, there is a wonderful print. This is the palla part. Okay, and this is the print has been done. The whole sari has been shown in this way, designed in this way. This sari is priced 1950, and the sari has a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. Price is 1950. Sari number 17, another JP kota. Summer friendly kota I am showing you. This is the palla part, and this is the whole body. These kota sarees doesn't have any blouse piece. The sari which has blouse piece is super net. I will mention it. This sari number 6 has blouse piece. Okay, and these sari doesn't have any. JP kota sarees doesn't have any blouse piece. This is sari number 8, and the price is 1550. This is also a JP kota. You know, friends, those who are fond of sari, you know what is JP kota. This is pure JP kota, the best quality JP kota. This is the palla part, and this is the whole body. Very simple, smart. Wear a purple blouse, wear a firozi blouse, wear a green blouse. Whatever blouse you wear, you will look very nice. The print is too good. This was sari number 8, and the price was 1550. Sari number 9, the sari which I am wearing. This is the same print, only there is a difference in color. Okay, very nice, very comfortable. This is sari number 9. $1550 price. This is the whole sari. Friends, this sari doesn't have any blouse piece. Okay, mind it, friends. Be very careful. This was sari number 9, and the price was 1550. The same sari, same print. This is also a different color. Wonderful color. Sari number 10. This is the palla, and this is the whole sari. The same sari I am wearing. This is the palla part. I have shown 3 colors. This is orange and purple. Okay, all are these saris are priced 1550. Now I will show you 2 Kota Doria saris. This is a Kashish dye Kota Doria, and the price is 2500. Feather light sari. Today all the saris are feather light today. Price is 2500. Sari number 11. This is the palla, this is the base, and this is the blouse piece. One thing I want to make you understand, friends, the blouse piece is pure cotton. There is no kota. This is not kota. Blouse piece is not kota. Pure cotton blouse piece. And this is, the woven is done in the, this is a running blouse piece. Okay, not attached. During weaving, the blouse piece has been done in this way. That's the thing I want to make you understand. This is the blouse piece. Okay, sari number 11 and the price was 2500. Sari number 12, same price is 2500. This is a Kashish on Kota Doria sari. This is the palla part and this is the whole sari. The same thing, look at the blouse piece. The blouse piece is not kota, this is a pure cotton blouse piece. Okay, and this is attached. The weaving has been done in the way, see, this part is kota and this part is cotton. Okay, we strengthen the blouse piece. Sari number 13. This is the JP Kota, another JP Kota. Price 1550. Look at the color blending: purple, blue, moss green. Wonderful piece. No blouse piece is attached and the price is 1550. Sari number 14. This is a Munga Kota sari and the price is 1950. Sorry, not 1950, 2050. Sari number 14. This is a cotton kota sari. Munga kota sari. Sorry, I'm again. Tasar kota, sorry, very sorry friends. This is the palla part. Okay. And this is the whole body. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Price is 2050. Sari number 14. Sari number 15. This is a super net sari. This is the palla part. I will ask my cameraman to show this jute part of the sari. Look, this is not attached, not stitched. This is weaving. The weaving, this is not attached. Okay, this is a weaving sari. Super net sari. This is the weaving part of the sari, and this is the beauty of the sari. This is the palla part, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, sari number 15 and the price is 1950. Okay, sari number 16. Another kota, cotton kota, Kota Doria, JP Kota. Okay, this side doesn't have any blouse piece. Be very careful. The price is 1550. Sari number 17. This is a Taparia Kota. Sari number 17 and the price is 2200. A print has been done throughout the sari. This is the blouse palla part. A kashish patch has been used in the upper and lower border. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. The border which has used on the upper and lower border, this is the same thing has been given in the blouse as a blouse piece. This was sari number 17 and the price was 2200. Sari number 18. This is a super net sari and this price is 1750. This is the palla part and this is the whole sari. This sari also doesn't have any blouse piece. Sari number 18 and the price is 1750. Okay. Now moving to sari number 19. This is also a super net sari. Price 1750. This is the palla part. With wonderful border on the border. This sari doesn't have any blouse piece. This is also priced 1750. Sari number 20. This is also priced 1750. Super net. This is not JP Kota, this is super net sari with wonderful prints. Sari number 20 and the price is 1750. Sari number 21. This is also wonderful super net sari. Price is 1050. Sari number 21, 1050. Sari number 22. This is also priced 1050. Friends, I am showing you a similar type of sari just to choose. This is the palla part and this is the base. A wonderful print, look, with black, ash and white combination of sari. Very nice. Price is 1050. Sari number 23. This is also priced 1050. White and lavender combination. Sari number 23 and the price is 1050. This sari doesn't have any blouse piece, friends. Okay. Sari number 24. This is 1750. Sari number 24, 1750. Palla part and this is the whole body. Very comfort. This sari gives up very much comfort during summers. Pure summer friendly sari. Okay, and sari number 25. This is also a super knit sari. Friends, those who have already subscribed my channel, please share my channel. Will do a big help, friends. These saris are daily use sari. You can wear it at home. Very comfort. This saree will give you very comfort, very comfort. Saree number 25 and the price is 1750. Friends, today I have completed my episode number 44, all based on Kota sarees. Some are pure JP Kota, some are super nets, and some are Kota Doria. Okay, friends, those who are able to visit my shop, please visit my shop. Feel the texture, feel the fabric, drape it on yourself, and then purchase. And friends, outside of Kolkata, helplessly you have to trust me and my product. And if you like the saree, please send me the screenshot. If you've seen any problem regarding color, regarding fabric, regarding whatever, you may have a lots of query, ask me. I will help you. After receiving the money, I will disperse the saree to you, friends. So thank you so much for your cooperation for last 44 episodes. Thank you so much, friends.